Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't seen this face before, hi, my name is Sana and I would really appreciate if you could take a moment and go subscribe to my channel below. So today I'm gonna be taking you to Janpat with me. Actually not taking you, but I went to Janpat like a week ago. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like after lockdown, and I got a few things from there, not too much. It is going to be a really small haul in the end. So yes, please stay tuned, and I only did this video for you guys because I've been getting requests to do this video and here I am. And if you want any other video from my side, please comment down below. I'll be really happy to check it out and do it for you. So yes, that was the introduction part. Now let's straight away go on to the video. Hey guys, before talking about the clothing items in the market, I just want to say one thing that I went there like 3 weeks ago, and I would recommend you not to go there because of festival season it is going to be really crowded, so please keep that in mind. Now coming on to the collection in Janpat after lockdown, I would say that they had some decent things, like not too good or not too bad. They had winter stuff as well. They had good long dresses, short dresses, and sets, sweaters as well. Now this jewelry shop used to have some really good things, but this time I didn't find anything at all. This particular shop, it had everything for 95 rupees each, and I found some good things from there. I bought two t-shirts. If you want oversized plain t-shirts in different colors, this shop would be a great option. Now this jhumka wala bhaiya was giving 5 jhumkas for 100 rupees, which was a good deal. If you want jhumkas, you can come to this bhaiya and take it. For me, Janpat is like mini Sarojini, like very mini Sarojini. I am not really a fan of Janpat. I don't usually shop from here. My go-to is Sarojini, but right now I'm not going there because of the massive crowd over there because of the festival season. These last 3-4 shops had all jeans collection and they were pretty good. If you want to look for jeans, this would be the best place to look at. So this was it. This is the whole market and how it looks like. So now that you have seen how the market looks like, I'm gonna show you what all I got from there. These 3 tops, I got these, and 2 earrings. So the first top is this plain white t-shirt, like pretty basic white t-shirt. I got this for another video which is going to be a tie-dye video, so I bought this for that. This was for 95 rupees. There was a shop which was all 95, like the whole shop, everything was for 95 each. So I got 2 things from there. One was that white t-shirt and other one is this gray one. This is also plain gray t-shirt which has a pocket in the front. I'm really into these oversized like t-shirts and all that, like faded vintage types. So yes, I really like this a lot. This was also for 95 rupees. And the last clothing item is this black top. Like it has ruching in the middle, as you can see. Yes, it cinches in the center, both front and back, and the sleeves are like a little puffed sleeves kind of. These are polka dots basic top. There's nothing too much about it. This was for 200 rupees. He was saying 350, so yes, it's a good bargain. I don't find Janpat so like they don't bargain too much like Sarojini. I'm a Sarojini fan, not a Janpat person, but yes, This is like for 200 rupees, and yeah, that was like pretty good deal. So yeah, these were the three things that I got from there. Next two are these earrings. The first one, like earrings, what like jhumkas, I would say. And the first one is this like long one, which has this tassels in the, like not tassels. What are these? Ghungru, yeah, ghungru type things in the bottom, and like these are red stones. Yes. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. Yeah, these are how these looks like, and these are really lightweight, not heavy, so I like that. I don't usually wear these kind of long earrings, but these were like lightweight, so I could wear it. Because my ears start paining if I wear like heavy things in my ear, and they don't suit me at all. So these were the first ones. This was for 50 rupees, and the other one is also for 50 rupees. The other one that I'm gonna show you, I saw somebody's haul and they bought it for 100 rupees from Sarojini, and I got it for 50 rupees. So I was like, wow, something cheaper. Something cheaper than Sarojini, which was like really shocking for me, because I think Sarojini is the cheapest place, I think. So yes, I was like, wow, for 50 rupees. Nice thing. Musafir wala earrings. Yes, and there's a pink flower on the top of it. That is how the earring looks like. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I think you must have seen these earrings in somebody's video. I don't know why I bought this. I usually don't buy things that other people are wearing, but yes, for this video, because I wanted to show something at least, so I bought these things, bought these earrings. So yes, I'll wear it in some video or something, will look good, or for some shoot. So yes, those are the earrings that I got. Looks pretty good actually, not bad. My hair would like just hide it, I know, but I can wear it for a shoot or something on my Instagram. So yes, if you want to see with photos in this earring, to follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here for you. Self promotions. Yes, so that was it. That is all that I got from there. I know I didn't get a lot of things because I just wanted you guys to see how it looks like, and I would recommend not to go there because I didn't find any like good things over there. Although I wasn't even looking that much, but yes, as much as I saw, there weren't like too good things or any new things over there. Like basic things, basic tops, t-shirts, that is all I saw there. If you want to go, you can go, but I would recommend you guys to go after these festivals get over, because there is a lot of like भीड़, काफ़ी लोग वहाँ पे आ रखे हैं इस टाइम पे, because of festival. People are shopping for festival. Yeah, so I would recommend for you guys to go after that. Yes, otherwise I'm not encouraging anyone to go there. If you want to go, go with precautions and everything, and don't touch anything over there. So yes, that was it. I will see you in the next video.